What's up? What's up, man? Okay. Today was CPI, if I'm not mistaken. Let me ping the Discord that we're live. What's up, man? What's up? Are you trading today or just studying, watching? Got 133 subs. Oh, I think somebody unsubbed. Yes. Watching, focusing. Oh, that's good, bro. That's good. Oh, yeah, you asked me, what did you ask me again last? How do I stay calm or something? The answer is simple, bro. One, you gotta do it enough. Two, you just gotta stick to the model, bro. Gotta stick to the model, and you might get upset, but as long as you stick to the model, it's a win, right? You don't win when you win a trade. You don't lose when you lose a trade. You win when you followed your model. What's up, Sai? How are you, man? Okay, so the drawn liquidity was met yesterday. Unfortunately, I didn't trade PM. We do have a fair value gap above. We didn't take out any lows on the daily chart. Actually, yeah, we didn't really take out any swing lows. But nonetheless, there's definitely sell side over there. ES, ES closing below its 4-hour bullish. My grandmother expired. Um, I'm sorry to hear that. I'm very sorry to hear that. That's that's what I think it means. Okay, we have SMT at previous day low inside of the daily fair value gap. Yeah, that's pretty bullish indication for me. That's the SMT, right? Yeah. 4-hour, I guess you could say 1-hour SMT inside the daily fair value gap. What's up, Alejandro? What's up, Alex? We have like 4-hour SMT. This would have been a good long here. Ready to short? You ready to short? I think I might be looking for long. Respecting the fair value gap on the daily. Enter discount. 1 hour or like almost a 4-hour SMT inside the fair value gap. ES looks a little bit more bearish. We could definitely go lower for this low right here. And then ES takes previous day low, but we have SMT at previous day low. What's up, Alito or Harolito? But right now, unless we could definitely short this 4-hour and already expecting to get the FEG bullish. Yeah, let's look at dollar real quick. That's my gold analysis. If anyone you're trading gold. Simple. Yeah, let's open up DXY here. Bullish daily fair value gap being respected. What's up, Raj? What's up, Kumar? What's up, everybody? What's up? So we got 8 minutes. Let me check the news quickly. 10 a.m. news. Okay. So we're expecting 9:30 manipulation for the most part. So we can see either 9:30 comes out and takes this low and we'll long from there, or 9:30 gives us an entry uh, short. But to be honest, wait, hold on. No, what I said, I don't like what I just said. What's up, Jitin? 7:30, I see a little bit of liquidity injection gonna happen. IST. What's IST? I've never. International Standard Time or something? Sorry, I've never heard about IST. So, and Dow is that we can drop Indian Standard Time. Ah, okay. Well, that's good. It's good to know when the injection is. We haven't traded to the weekly fair value gap on ES. Rejecting off the wick on the weekly time frame. That's pretty bearish on the weekly, I'd say. But here we are trading in the weekly FEG. And this could just be very bullish ES, you know? Monday. Is it really going to be a Monday low of week? No. I think it's going to be a Tuesday or Wednesday low of week and then reversal. Because Monday did not manipulate into a higher time frame key level. Tuesday did. Oh, Monday did. But Monday is not low week. We saw Tuesday. Why don't you think that doesn't want to come down? Well, yeah, dollar and YM definitely say bearish. Why? I mean, it's not that I don't think so. It's just what's more probable. So right now, we're in a discount of this range, and we have SMT inside the daily fair value gap. And so far, no discounted rates have been disrespected. We could go lower. We also have that 1 hour SMT, almost 4 hour SMT inside the daily fair value gap. So that could be, right? That could be enough downside to then start moving up. It could be. Alternatively, yeah, I'm definitely gonna most likely wait for 10 a.m. Alternatively, if we can take the opposite direction. You don't know what SMT is. You should watch my most recent video, brother. The HTR gap is huge. What's HTR gap? I might not necessarily wait for 10 a.m. I don't know how manipulative 10 a.m. news. I'm expecting 10 a.m. distribution, 9:30 manipulation. Because we have news at 10, injects volatility, right? I'm expecting the manipulation to happen before. What's 10 a.m. news? It's consumer confidence or something. Sitting on hands. Yeah, it's a red folder. So he said, why do I think more longs? I'm more leaning towards longs. Because we have this SMT inside the daily fair value gap and discount. It's as simple as that. Yes, we have PD arrays lower that have not been tapped in. For example, the weekly fair value gap, which is the main thing. Do you put daily range? When I look for take profit levels, I'll use the daily range, yeah. I will say in the current dealing range, we're not in a discount though. That's just a range, not the dealing range. So we definitely have room for lower. But I wouldn't be surprised if we reverse from here. Dealing range, yeah, this would be the dealing range for the daily time frame. In which case we're not lower. But you know what will clear things up? 9:30. So if 9:30 makes a run for this low, the only thing screaming bullish to me, I mean bearish to me, is the drawn liquidity, like just the fact that there's a lot of reason to go lower on NQ. Yeah, I mean, I'm not too worried about the hourly time frame yet. What's up, Elliot? You missed a trade? It's okay, bro. It's still early. It's definitely, again, it's not the easiest actually. But I don't know. Personally, I'm still leaning towards longs, right? High of day is 3 a.m. We definitely could get like a move back into this bearish order block right here. I'll mark it out. Put it up 100. I was in the mood to break even really quick. It's okay, bro. I know the ones. We could come out and take this low right here. We could come out and take this low. We have SMT. Listen, it's as simple to me, it's as simple as this. We have SMT inside of a daily discount fair value gap. That's enough for me, right? We're below midnight. I'd want to see a run lower and then higher. But we're deep below midnight right now. Okay, we have an hourly fair value gap right here. What do you mean? Don't you want a long below midnight opening? The hourly time frame, we have this fair value gap at around equilibrium of that range. Hourly time frame here. And we're above it. We're not above midnight. What are you talking about? My trip. Oh shoot! I'm looking at Tuesday. I'm looking at Monday, bruh. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh my. That's a silly mistake. Okay, this makes a lot more sense. I thought we were really, really far in a discount. Okay. I'd have to see it run below. Yeah. I thought midnight was all the way up there, bro. DXY, too bullish. DXY is very bullish. But like, yo, DXY is the same bullish as NAS. We closed above the daily fair value gap. That's another thing for me. We closed above. Wait, no, we didn't. Am I tripping, bro? Oh, it was we took previous day low. I still got you saying like $50. You'll get used to it, bro. You just gotta keep going. You'll get used to it. Okay, we're gonna lock in. It's 9:30 here. Okay, this is shortable. If equal lows, this is shortable, and I think there's a 4-hour fair value gap in play. The ICT kill zone. So this is very shortable. We could sweep a 15-minute high into a 4-hour. For now, let's watch this. We're gonna stay on the 15-minute time frame for now. I want to see this high get ran. Then we can target these equal lows. Alternatively, preferably, I'd want to see longs. So if we can retrace here, sweep lows, tap into fair value gap. There's a breaker right here, so I wouldn't mind taking longs from like over here. Almost like yesterday was easier to read than this. Gotta stay focused. The ICT indicator will mark midnight and 8:30. I might have to use that. ES making a run lower. So my drawn liquidity is the 4-hour bearish fair value gap, just to be clear. Because we swept the 4-hour low, simple. 4-hour ERL to IRL. That's the drawn liquidity. It's this fair value gap. Just as letting everyone know. What it does from there, I don't know. It could go lower, could go higher. Personally, I think higher. We could come for this low and then go higher. But the drawn liquidity is that 4-hour bearish fair value gap. I would like to see it inverse, to be honest, but I want to see this high. If we can leave this high right here, come lower, I would love to take longs from here. I would love to take longs targeting here. I feel like that's a very high probability. Very, very much. So if we can manipulate lower, I'd be very happy taking longs. ES already going lower, or ES already below midnight. We're in already long territory on ES. No PDA, we did take the low. Up the low below midnight. That's enough Judas. I don't like trading ES, but setup could potentially form here. NQ being very bullish. Maybe like I guess if we inverse the volume imbalance, it's not really. It's not A plus. I'll tell you that it's not bad. It's gonna top until 10 a.m. SMT in the high and Q in the 4-hour for value gap. That's your bet. Pretty likely to be honest, in my opinion. Only there was a fair value gap in play here, I'd be a lot more inclined. Oh, there is a 1-hour fair value gap. Let's see if we fail to inverse this. Start trading higher. We could potentially look to trade this volume imbalance. Again, drawn liquidity is right here. I marked it out. It's 15 a.m. NQ failing to go below midnight and ES going below midnight is pretty bullish indication for me. We can displace. Still pretty early. That's enough for Judas for me. Maybe we can sweep these lows. Sweep these lows and break above. Give me a, it should be a shitty breaker, but it'll be a breaker nonetheless. That's what we're looking for right now. Sweep the lows, displace up, give me an SMT in there, and I will be happy to risk some before 10 a.m. I'll probably close before 10, but I would take it if it's clean. That's long from the 15-minute breaker. Here. It's not bad. True, we could just take the setup on NQ, that being said, instead of ES. Right now we have 15-minute SMT. Let's see if NQ can take this low or trade below midnight. ES hasn't, NQ hasn't traded below midnight. The below one, this one, and they're gonna tap into both anyways. Okay, so we're seeing the run lower that we wanted initially. That 15-minute SMT is gone. Let's see if we can get below midnight here. Below midnight, we tap into this fair value gap. We have low, high, lower, low, higher, high. This is a breaker with a fair value gap. So we're inside of a breaker and inside of a fair value gap. This is a 15-minute unicorn. Not a bad idea, Kumar. I'm thinking very similar. Oh, yes. ES swept that low. That would have been huge. That would have been huge if ES swept that low. I'm willing to go in with less risk before 10 a.m. Look at this. This is the definition of low resistance liquidity. Well, actually, the high, it was a little bit lower, but nonetheless, clean. So we got a change of state delivery here. Tradable. This fair value gap. We didn't tap into the fair value gap below. I would have liked to seen an SMT. I don't trade order blocks unless there's an SMT. Right now there isn't. So we could potentially get a 1-minute breaker formed here though. I'm gonna be more patient for now. I'm gonna put on a trade, even if we displace. Not enough. You don't like that it's moving before news? How come? We're gonna trade NAS. I don't want to really trade ES. I wouldn't say no. I mean, I wouldn't say it's definitely choppy. Like there's long wicks, there's not really directional movement. But I don't like that. Like I don't expect necessarily like a perfect consolidation. LFG? LFG means let's fucking go. Let's go. That's what LFG means. If you think it was an ICT concept, hit the liquidity and chop. It could just chop. Yeah. Yeah. It definitely. I mean, it could definitely like staircase, but bearish fair value gap here. If we inverse, mm, I don't think it's enough. I don't know if it's A plus. I mean, if we got a really good displacement, could this potentially be the move that sends us? Maybe something like this. I don't know. Maybe I'd go in with like 1 micro. What did we have here? What do we have here? Let's see how this candle closes. If we get a fair value gap, oh, right now this candle looks like it's gonna close nicely. If it closes this range up, then no way. Look at ES though. Nice market structure shift. Okay, I like this. Okay, we'll take this. I'll take it with. We'll even take 3 micros. I like this. This is the only thing I don't like actually is I would have to full TP this because I mean I could get away with a stop loss like this. Oh shit, let me just focus and put in a limit here. It's not gonna give us a fill. I'll tell you right now, I don't think it's gonna give us a fill. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. How's the RR? 2.6. So we could take one off here and then another one there. I would have, if we take out this high, I'm closing the position. could, like, you could get away with entering on the order block. Stop loss like here. No, it's not good enough. ES, 5 minute FUG on ES. I'm not worried about a 5 minute FUG. Which I think it to get run through. Bro, fucking inversion, bro. I feel like if you don't mark it when the inversion happens, I don't look at every single PD array because, okay, yeah, there's a 5 minute bearish, but what about the liquidity that was swiped inside this 5 minute bullish trade value gap, for example, or the 15 minute breaker on NQ? Like all these things, there's too many things. That's why I don't really care about the negative component. Just focus on my bias and that high's taken. So we're closing our limit order. Again, same thing as yesterday. We're taking trade before news. Well, not anymore. Trade already played out. Tried to get in. No fail. Bro, I feel like longing your prop firm doesn't have slippage. No prop firms. No, and nothing that trades index futures should have slippage. The best thing we can do is leave this high for us. Damn, yesterday. Yeah, same thing happened yesterday. I guess same mistake. We could have hype you close. Yeah, I was thinking that, but I wanted to see if how this candle closed, you know? I wanted to see how this candle closed. You closed here, you took the trade. Nice, bro. Yeah, I would have probably taken 2 off at that high, which is 2R, and then left a runner just in case it wants to run up there. But it could save that for 10 a.m. Yeah, that was a nice move. We missed one. The thing is, like, I don't wanna market buy right here. I needed a more I needed more confirmation, you know? That's just it is what it is. The thing is we didn't really take out much. We still get in. Same, I took high risk. I mean, if you think it was an A plus trade for you, then that's okay, bro. If it wasn't really A plus, yeah, let's go back to reading these candles. Won't even probably get midnight and I leave. Just entering close above. That's really good, bro. You know the reason I don't do that is because I haven't traded inversions enough to be like have confidence, you know? 140 subs. Let's go, man. That's lit. That's really amazing, man. So we would have taken partials and broke even. Yeah, we could have entered on the close above. The thing is, I wanted to see how this, because like, okay, we inversed. That's one confirmation. That's not enough, bro. I need to see this change of state delivery, or I need to see a fair value gap, or something else. It's the 5 minute with 1 minute fair value gap. That is really good. Yes, not moving at all. Just respecting its fair value gap. So, which is why I don't think this high is going to get taken, which is good for us because remember, we're still bullish. I'm still bullish. This is my drawn liquidity. It did not change. It did not change. So, potentially, we can maybe see manipulation lower. However, it takes that high in 4 hours to be in like 550. You want shorts from there, huh? Me personally, I wanted to go lower at 10, and then I can long towards this bearish fair value gap after. What's up, Augie? I don't know if you just got here. Would I short it if it comes up here? Like, are we really coming for this low? No, I'm not convinced. I don't know if I'm convinced that we're coming for these lows. That was our best trade. Unlucky. That's a strong wick. We would have caught it really. Yes, 50% of the range was. We'll be patient for now. Looks like Euro USD might stop us out. I'm in this long Euro USD swing position. I'll take partials there and then hold the rest. Let's see what happens. My bet is beating. If we come into here, oh yeah, it's gonna be S&P inside this 4 hour, 4 hour. What I short? I will say it's definitely more complex. This was my long, to be honest. This was the trade I wanted today was longing into this fair value gap. Unfortunately, we did not get a fill. Could have market ordered this. That's hindsight. I will look at the 30-second time frame, see was there anything there. Yeah, 30-second time frame was a little bit better actually, because you could have gotten an entry at the change of state of delivery. Yes, it's slow. Yeah. Okay. Are we gonna leave the 4 hour open? If it wants to leave the 4 hour open, come lower. Fine by me. 950 macro. The question is, do I want to short this 4 hour? I don't think I do. I really don't think I do. Expecting Tuesday low of week. I'm honestly, I'm just not really bearish on the higher time frame. I'm not convinced. SMT and the daily discount for value gap by screens longs for me. I want to see longs into here. Sticking by my bias. If we take this, if we get a really nice setup, maybe I'll lower my risk. But I want to see this. 1 hour chain of day delivery at the daily fair value gap. Yeah, that's ES, right? ES does not have that 4 hour fair, but there's a 4 hour volume imbalance. So let's mark that out for ES. 4 hour volume imbalance. Right there. I really want to see a manipulation lower. Or if we can come back to this and then give another entry. The thing is that's breaking my model, so unless it's not clean. It's not really clean. Because we already, like, realistically, that was the trade. You're just expecting the bearish order block? Oh, this one right here? Yep, it is. Shorts from here is not bad, because ES is definitely showing weakness. Could be a Wednesday low of week. Strong liquidity for ES could be the weekly fair value gap. That's a long way, though. For now, let's focus on this. I want to see longs into here. I don't think we'd sweep this low, but if we'll just be patient. Because I don't want to trade 1 minute market structure, you know? So I don't want to just, for example, long this fair value gap. Even though it's valid, and if it does, I kind of expect it to hold. Just wait for now. I'm definitely gonna wait, yeah. I'm just thinking like the only way I can see myself longing is if we use like 50%. Like I have to use this wick as a PD array. That's the only way. That's the only way I'll be taking a long. Use this wick as a PD array. I'll see if we can come into 50%. Well, where's the, yep, consumer confidence. Okay, this is the 1 hour wick. I'd like to see it come to 50% and then I'd look for longs from there. If the 4 hour doesn't get tapped in, it has to be left untapped in. That's my drawn liquidity. If it's met, everything changes. Could short from there, but I'm not thinking about that right now. This is the 1 hour wick. Small ass range. The deep premium, to be honest. Daily range. Okay, we're in the macro. Let's see if we can start to manipulate lower. Yes. Do something. Yes, volume and balance. I've marked it out over here on the 4 hour. Yes, on the 15-minute. Clean. Let's mark the 1 hour wick here. Wait a minute, I just realized the 1 hour wick is still changing. I can't just mark it now. No way, the candle flipped bullish. Okay. We'll have to wait 6 minutes to mark out the wick. But pretty much we're expecting it to come back here. We could just use OTE. See how everything just kind of lines up? It's just like your golden entry. The thing is, like, okay, yeah, you don't want to get manipulated out at 10 a.m. news. I wouldn't be surprised if 10 a.m. news just did this. Like, literally. For me, yeah, this is my drawn liquidity. We fell just short of the fair value gap. What's up, myself? When everything lines up, yeah. You know what would be nice if we can get into here with SMT. Well, the thing is, I don't want to take a trade before 10 a.m. Yeah, we're gonna have SMT here. Manipulate lower. It's a little bit early for the manipulation. Just took shorts, probably gonna get stopped out break even. Maybe. ES just took out the low, so that would be turtle soup. Yes. Oh, this looks so bullish for me. 10 a.m. news though. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Tell me that's made up? No, it is not made up. Look at that. Precision. Precision. 2 ticks into OTE order block. YM. Oh, YM. That's precision. I wouldn't be surprised if we distribute higher. That would have been my entry. It happened at 9:56, so I did not take it. So, you think this is going to the toilet? Maybe. We have SMT here now, though. Double confirmation. I wouldn't be surprised of something like this. Like, sure. But all I know is price is coming into here. That's what I know. That's where my confidence lies. Yeah. Fuck 10 a.m. news, bro. Because would I have taken this? No. I mean, realistically, I wouldn't have. I would have, like, turtle soup. I'd have taken entry here. It's just too high up. What's up, Armin? This is going to get tapped in at 10 a.m. And we're going to have SMT at highs and lows. This is shit. That's what that is. This is booty cheeks. Get YM. 4 hour. Oh, we tapped in here. 50% wick. It's pretty nice. 1 minute. Got this? How'd you catch this, bro? If we have turtle soup, we don't need to come into a discount. What do you mean? Miso took shorts on the Dow. Yeah. Yes, it is Rohit. What do I want to see happen? Sweep this low for me. Sweep this low. I want it to come all the way down. Even sweep this low. Come all the way down and give me another confirmation. That's what I want. That's what I want. What do I think is going to happen? Pshing. That's what I think is going to happen. But if it comes down here and wants to give me an entry, I will take it. No problema. All right, let's mark out the hourly wick. Okay, this is the hourly wick. I'm gonna have to adjust it if it trades below. Of course it does. Gotta be precise. Brother, what model is Turtle Soup model? ICT hasn't posted a specific charter model on Turtle Soup. Turtle Soup is just liquidity sweep. If you're gonna trade Turtle Soup, you're gonna need to do a lot of backtesting and refining on your own. Because it's all about, like, for example, are you gonna put limits at lows? Or are you gonna like wait for a confirmation, one confirmation? What are you gonna do exactly? Every turtle soup is different. Some people just market sell right when the low is taken, for example. Personally, that's not good enough for me. Okay. Like I said, I was expecting just shoot up, but another SMT here. Yeah, exactly what G Trade said. Ready to take a trade when opposite liquidity we're taking to retire time frame target. Well, hard time frame target has just been met. So, ES is longable though. We can inverse this. No, but we just touched into the 4 hour bearish. I'm not really bullish on ES. It doesn't look clean. Yeah, that's unfortunate, bro. It really is. It really is. We kind of missed 2 entries there. John liquidity met. We inverse this. Might take a stab here at ES. Not with that wick though, I'll tell you that much. We could look for shorts here. It's definitely not clean. Yeah, short confirmations, 4 hours swept, have the 4 hour. Pretty sharp reaction. If we get a breaker, we're gonna have breaker SMT here above midnight opening. I want to see this rejection block. We failed to inverse here. I'm just looking for a scalp now. I don't know about the bigger picture, but I'm happy trading like 15-minute market maker. 15-minute IRL. ERL. We tapped in. We just fell short of the 15-minute fair value gap right here. Yeah. Well, there you go, 21. The inversion happening. ES has room for higher, for sure. I mean, at least this fair value gap tapped in here, swept below. No inversion. This might be a sit out. Market maker including 2022. It's pretty much all the same. It's just like different ways. What's up, Goosebumps? Thank you, brother. Yeah, it's unfortunate. We missed our entry. We missed it. Now things are not clear, and I don't want to force. I want to force something. Yeah, Rohit, there is a specific video on Market Maker in the 2023 playlist. Yeah, exactly. There's one video on it. Um, if you want to learn about it, I would go there. Market Maker it's definitely in the core content. Yeah, this is tough. We're gonna need to scope out some things. Strong liquidity, probably previous day high at this point. 1 hour, inversed, reinversed. We have the 4 hour volume imbalance on ES right here. Waiting for shorts. I don't know if there's gonna be shorts. I'm liking these Monday highs. I don't know if that's happening today, but yeah, unfortunate, really. Truly is unfortunate. Could I have really just put a limit at the 1 minute OB? That would have been a sniper entry, bro. Literally sniper entry. It's pretty bad RR though. Buy model looks clean. Yeah, it does. Well, so far we stuck to the model and we were correct about what price was gonna do. So would look to trade the 1050 macro on a scalp. Um, so we can't complain. Definitely cannot complain. We could have, again, I guess same thing happened yesterday. We called it out, but we did not take the market order on the inversion. We could have, but yesterday was a little different. Yesterday I was more convinced. Today I wasn't as convinced. If there was another SMT here or like a sweep and then I would have needed like just one more thing, you know. But look at this sniper entry. This was amazing if you caught this. Um, Look at the 4 hour here. We inverse the 4 hour on ES, swept lows inside of another 4 hour. Haven't taken out any highs. There's an imbalance here. The volume imbalance. We inverse the 15 minute right here, which we are. This might be a long opportunity for ES. Let's get the 5 minute. We're forming a 5 minute fair value gap. Closes are more consistent. I mean, yeah, I wasn't even trying to enter on the inversion. I was trying to enter on the fair value gap that formed right after. Just formed as a breakaway gap. It's unfortunate. ES showing very good. This is longable. This is actually, this is longable. I missed my entry. It's so little risk with ES. 3 micros. I missed my entry. It would have been filled already. Wasn't quick enough. I'm not that convinced. It looks like we're gonna inverse the 15-minute. Oh, maybe not. We tapped into the 15-minute volume and bounce. My drawn liquidity is higher. I might mark if we get a good close here, I might mark it buy right here on MES. Yes. If we get a good close here, if we get a good close above. If we get a good close above, I will go for a market order. The wick seems nice. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's try. Put it in was it's a very small risk. 3 micros on ES. Buy, stop, sell, stop. Okay, let's try this. Entering here, hoping for an inversion on the 15-minute, targeting the 4-hour volume imbalance. And there's a breaker, yes. Bullish breaker with the fair value gap right here. The entry was, look at that entry right there, so high up. Let's see. Because we could have got a nicer entry there if I just took the original, an extra point. Again, it's only 3 micros, so even a full TP is not the most crazy thing, but let's give it a stab. Give it a stab. So I'm not taking impartial there. We'll break even at Euro USD trade not looking too hot. Yeah, I don't think Euro USD is looking good. Oh shit, I think I got stopped out actually. So yeah, it's not looking good. Well, literally stopped out. We inverse the 4-hour, I think. We inverse this 4-hour. Yeah, I could attack these lows first. I'll probably look for another position long after. Um, yeah, let's just see how this plays. Probably what I'll do is probably put my stop here after we take this high and then just let it go. I don't want to risk too much on this. We definitely lowered our risk. It is high of day 9:15. I like this high right here. Let's take out this high. I'll break even. Not break even, sorry. I'll put my stop loss there. Gatie enters a trade. Yeah, I finally entered a trade. Yep, trailing my stop. Actually, no, I'm just gonna keep my stop here for now. Yeah, 3 on the 15-minute. Yep, valid. And it came into a nice area right here. I entered a very small risk Carlito. 3 micros on ES. Just to make myself feel better, let me just... Bro, 8 ticks, that's it. Fuck. Fuck ES. I don't want to take a partial at 1.6. But I will break even after. I think we have a volume imbalance right here. So I'm gonna chill my stop here. Because we have a protective PD array. I think price will come back down here. Oops. I don't like this stop loss. We should go to those highs. Yeah, I'm definitely, yeah, I believe in this trade for sure. We have a volume imbalance right here. I could look to add into it. I'm gonna put my stop loss back where it was. I'm not gonna move my stop loss until I see how this reacts off the volume imbalance. New top step promos, that's good. Might look to add one at the volume imbalance. ES made a fair value gap right here. This is actually a fair value gap on ES. Not micro ES, but ES. And let's just mark out. We inverse the 15-minute here. You would expect this high next. Some of these highs on ES. Thank you. You put 2 cares long on DXY and down. Yeah, I went with very low risk. I went 3 micros on ES, which I'm happy. The volume imbalance that I'm targeting. I'll also target the high of day, which I'll probably take off like, oh, what am I taking off? This is nothing. There's like 3 micros is like nothing. I wasn't gonna put a full contract risk though. 3 points. That's 150, and I'm not taking 150 on this. I missed my original entry. I'm always gonna go lower risk on the second entry. If we take out this high, sure. You know what? I'll take one off just to fund the position. It's a sell limit, right? Yeah. I'll take one off. 3 minute is 3M is like 200. What do you mean 3M? Oh, 3 micros? Or 3 minis? What's not happening? Maybe not. 3 micros is like 200. If I could add more, I would, but my count restrictions. I did take a full contract, so just to be clear, I took a full contract on my combines. I have 6 combines with Top Step X. So it will be a little bit better P&L there. Okay, looks like we might TP1. And I'm just gonna leave this as a runner at the 4-hour volume imbalance. We read price really well today. Today is a win in my books, no matter what. Let's just take out this high so I wouldn't break even. This would fund my trade. Beautiful trade. Not yet. What is change day delivery? It's just an order block. No TP yet. So let's not get too antsy. I want to break even this. I don't like this. I feel like I should have just ran through. Whoa, what's this? I didn't click that. Get rid of this thing, bro. Oh shit. Well, that just happened. Let's watch this instead. Yo, what was that, bro? I didn't put in that order. I don't know what that order was. All right, we tapped into the volume imbalance. Yeah, the good thing it was going lower. Let's give it a chance here. Uh, why does my entry look so weird here? Wasn't my entry like over here? I might just break this even once it retraces higher. I mean, yeah, we'll take it. We'll take it. I was trying to put a break even stop loss. Then it said something about like stop limit, whatever, blah blah blah. No way, we don't take the high. Let's wait for this. There's not even a volume imbalance here, bro. No volume imbalance there. Putting my stop loss right here. And limit sell? That's it. That's all I'm doing. SMT on highs? Yes. Yes, we do. I'm guessing I'm stopped out right there. So I can see it going higher too, but I don't want to be in the shade anymore, to be honest. Okay, we're out, we're out, we're out. We didn't take out any highs. Okay. I can see the where did where did NQ go? To be honest, there was so much strength there. It's actually pretty surprising that we just kind of fell off, in my opinion. Did we hit something? Like wow, we really now we're wicking again under the 4 hour. Have a good one. See you, brother. See ya. I mean, we'll take it. We're up 18, I guess. I'll give this volume balance a little leeway. No. Yeah, no. We missed our trade. This was our trade right here. We had a full TP there. But it's okay. Tomorrow we get a fill. Tomorrow we catch a nice move. Nvidia about to dump. I think it's done here. I'm gonna watch this for a little longer. See what happens off this low. We can reinverse this volume imbalance. I'd expect something like this. I don't know. To me, non-liquidity is right here. Not gonna trade it anymore. Maybe equal lows. Yes, we do. On the 1 minute. And I'm looking at Monday's highs. I'm looking at Monday's highs for NQ. Potential Tuesday low of week. So you only take one trade per day? No, I just hate this price action. Usually I'll do 2. Sometimes 3, depending on how much I risked. If I were to trade, again, I would take my limit right now on the volume imbalance. You're trading 6 accounts at once? Well, I guess 7. 1030 or 1050. It definitely could play out. I'm not interested. I honestly don't see anything clear. I see that we might trade up into this volume imbalance. I know we're pretty deep on the day in premium. I honestly, personally, I don't see the shorts. If I were to retrade, like I said, I would have taken this right here. This would have been my final trade of the day, but I don't want to risk any more. I'm trading off the volume imbalance. Treating it like a support, I guess you can say. Just to be clear, so everyone look, no position. So minus 50, by the way. I'm on all these accounts, I think, or minus 40. Should just close it there, but whatever. No orders. No orders. The leader account. I'm gonna close this. Just proof. So I don't wake up. Sometimes I just like there was one time I woke up with like minus 800 on my funded. Like what? I like just I guess I somehow like I don't know, a trade was taken. I trailed my stop loss right here if I was in this trade. Yeah, you can copy trade top step X. Yo, you know what's like we actually would have TP'd maybe this trade if we kept our stop loss right here. But again, like I didn't want to risk. I didn't. It should have just went. In my opinion, you can trade and they let you have 5 funded accounts now, so it's really nice. You get a 5 funded. It can only be between the first and second. This would have been the trade I took, which I did take this trade, by the way. Literally, my entry was right here, so it's pretty much the same thing. Which prop firm? Top Step. I like Top Step. I'm not mad that I closed. Am I mad that I closed? But I had a pretty good stop loss. I don't like that it came back for this low. Equal lows now too. You just always be making equal lows from yourself, equal highs. So triple equal highs actually. Yeah, actually looks really clean. I think it's gonna run for those. It toss up having a discount as of now. Someone in the chat did say that there was a discount. There's a promo. Let me check my email because they send me emails because you know they top step are close. No, I'm joking. It's not. That's not why. It's just um they send me like promotions. Like they send everyone promotions if you subscribe to. Let me see if there's anything. I didn't get any emails, but maybe their Discord. Gold, silver, 5 minute SMT. You want to see gold, silver? Um, gold, silver. Huh? Intraday. Swept the lows, came back. Yeah. This was my initial gold. What was I looking at? I forget. It was the 4 hour. Looking for longs? Oh, looking for shorts. So looking for shorts on the. I'm looking. I'm bearish on gold, but we're so far in a discount that I wouldn't short this right now. I'd have to wait for it to go higher. So this sweep was good. Is there SMT here? Yeah, there is. See that? 615, 615 SMT. So if I were to short, it would have been right there in this area. 15-minute inversion, tapped back in. That's your best short. But like I said, it's so far in the discount. So equal lows right there too. So far in a discount. I'm using this range. So I wasn't interested. And looks like TP is going to be hit, quote unquote. Which is upsetting. No, it's not upsetting. I break even now. If I put it right above, I wouldn't want to see it tapping back to the volume imbalance. Which pair is closely related to gold, USDX, or silver? Is it inversely correlated with dollar? I think it might be inversely correlated with dollar. We got stopped out on euro. GBP never went lower. US. Yeah, we can get a fill here. Up 30 pips. Or 40 pips from the entry. We took out the ERL though, so maybe we can come back to IRL and then potentially go up again. Oh, this 4 hour breaker just got destroyed on euro. The 4 hour unicorn, and we just got wrecked. What happened? We had a SMT inside the weekly fair value gap. Unlucky, really. Yeah, felt unlucky. Also, let's see the ES reach TP. No, again, I'm break even. I would be break even. Sever just for SMTs. You can still use SMT with dollar. Just it's inverse SMT. This does not look clean. I'm not happy shorting this. I have to wait for a 4 hour like close below. And I'm definitely not happy longing after the drawn liquidity was met. We still have these Monday equal highs, which is my drawn liquidity, just letting everyone know. I think price is going to trade up into here. Not necessarily today, but um, volume imbalance on ES. So I think that's it for me today. Today was how do I give my performance? Mm, my performance today. It's not bad. Give myself like a good 5. It's a good 5. We followed the rules. We managed to make a little bit of profit, which I don't really care about. We lost 40 on the combines, which kind of sucks. We didn't manage to break even, so that was the mechanical error. And yep, you do. Same with any prop firm. So don't be scared to risk a little bit more, because at the end of the day, you gotta pass it. Otherwise, you might as well just get another account. You know what I'm saying? So, or what you can do is take it normal for 3 weeks. If you see that you're not that close, the last week kind of just force it a little bit. How much do you earn on funded per month? I've only ever gotten 3 payouts. One of them was 15, one of them was like 1250 US. I'm in Canada, so it's a little bit more. And then the other two were 500 US. I've been trading live. I've been trading live since January 1st. I've been studying trading for 1 year. I managed to get 3 payouts. Right now, I have 1 funded and 6 challenge accounts I'm working on. If I can pass these 6 challenge accounts, that would be great. So once we clear it, then we do it. No, once you clear it, then you're good. You're good forever. But you do have to pay the activation fee. How much did you lose till now? Um, only what I paid for it. I've only of how many fundeds have I blown? I've only blown 1 funded, and I got a payout on it. You're in ES shorts. Good luck, bro. Although I still feel like those highs might get run. Do I think so? The equal highs. We did take this high based on 1 day, 1 hour, and 5 minute. I hope it plays. Good luck, Kumar. 5 hour volume imbalance, 5 minute volume imbalance right there. Let's go to 1 day to 1 hour. You were right about that. You are right. Another thing about ES is the weekly fair value gap. Could just be pulling. Will be closed above previous week high, trading 50% wick. It was some hot turtle soup. Would have been my TP. But that volume imbalance ended up playing out. So that trade I took, technically I never got stopped out. Thank you, Goosebumps. Thank you. I'll see you live tomorrow, brother. This was the trade that I took That would have been 2R, 2.5, and then we could have potentially held for 4. Never mind, my setup just hit. It's okay, bro. It's okay. I think it's scary just to short when there's equal highs like that. Perfectly equal highs. But it's okay, bro. It happens, it happens, it happens. We still got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I don't know if you take another trade today. There's always PM. I want to short, but like a PD or PD is trash. Keep that in check. Could have just went for those highs and then went lower. No SMT here, but there is SMT. Most probably there's SMT everywhere. Um, well, today was good. PM, yeah, I might trade PM. Um, Surprised that Euro failed. Yeah, we read price really well, which is always nice. We What I trade PM? Yeah, there's SMT highs and lows. Again, we missed our trade. This was our trade, and then we missed our second trade here. We ate. Uh, I mean, yeah, we eating $18, bro. What are we eating, bro? That's a buffet. That's a Mandarin buffet right there. It's a McDonald's Big Mac meal with some dessert. Um, we eat that. We eating. We eating. No, I missed my first entry. This is what I wanted. I wanted this. And I wanted this. Equal highs kind of, but I missed it. Then I tried to get this. Also missed it. Then I tried to get this, but I just wasn't quick enough with this one. I didn't like the RR that much. I didn't like the RR. I should have, like, the only thing I could have done differently is market ordered this inversion, but it wasn't enough for me at the time. You know, I don't regret it. If I went back, I probably would not market order that inversion. I would have had to wait for that third candle. Could have market ordered there, but then I'd have got a bad entry. So I don't regret. And then we took a long on ES right here, this fair value gap pretty much. Oh, you trade? Thank you, bro. Looking for this long. We ended up breaking even on a volume imbalance. Um, I was targeting this, and then I would leave a runner for the 4-hour volume imbalance. I'm going 3 micros though, so very low risk on this one because big balls here along with the 4-hour candle. 4-hour candle, which 4-hour candle? The previous 4-hour candle? Oh, DX or DXY. I use DXY, but like to be honest, it's mostly soft. It's mostly soft for me. Like I don't know. I use it. I'll look at it, but I would never just be like DXY is bullish, therefore I'm bearish. If I were to be bearish, it would be on E. For me, NQ is screaming. NQ was screaming longs. NQ was just screaming longs. Like we have Monday high of week right now. Put in a low swept previous day low. SMT inside previous day low. Like NQ was screaming longs. ES wasn't as much screaming longs because the weekly fair value gap trading in this weekly wick. We didn't take previous day low, so that could potentially be like we could want to go for that. Good job. Yeah. I mean, yeah, you're definitely right about that. So why did I take the long on ES? Um, just based off the NQ market structure on like intermediate time frame. Whatever fair value gap. Uh, oh, this one? The way I saw it was like one, we inversed this and we failed to take this low, so I was expecting maybe the high, but at least I was expecting it to come back to this volume imbalance on the 4 hour. And on top of that, E and Q was just being so bullish that I thought like we'd be in a rush to sync up because ES like NQ trading above high of day, disrespecting pretty much everything, and ES coming for potentially Monday highs. I think that's in the scope. Maybe not today, but maybe tomorrow. Tuesday low of week, and we just expand from there. But I see the shorts too. I see both. I was more inclined, which is why I took 3 micros and then I broke even very early. So I definitely see both. If I were gonna take shorts, I would have to see like a high get rated. To be honest, like I see them, but I don't think I see them. You know what I'm saying? Like I see just room for higher. Like even just looking at this, I see room for higher. You know, because we already tapped into here and we took out the lows, and then how low do we go into this 4 hour bullish fair value gap, and then we inversed. So like, yeah, we could make another run for these lows, but I think it makes more sense for us to start retracing, either fill out some imbalances or start taking out highs. Especially when NQ, but I guess the XY was pretty bearish, so or and DXY was bullish, so bearish. I don't know why Euro SD fails so hard. Literally amazing setup. 4 hour unicorn. But by the way, my stop loss was literally right here. We literally got stopped out to the tick. It was literally at the 4 hour inversion low. Here failed because DXY. DXY bullish, so Euro USD bearish. Yeah. I might just market long this to be honest. I kind of like that wick. I might just market long with stop loss at the wick because we're respecting the 4 hour. Okay. Oh, that's why CPI not working today. Are you sure there was CPI, brother? 6E Euro futures. I'm gonna take this. Do it at 8:30. What are you looking at for news, brother? Because I didn't see any news that said. Are you sure it wasn't something else, or like, are you sure it wasn't another? Like, it wasn't for U.S. Or maybe you're looking at another week or something. It's here for now. Yeah, there's no CPI. I think you might be looking at something else here. I'll show you my Forex Factory. Mm, you might be looking at last week or the week after, or if it's Canadian, it could be Canadian CPI. I only look at US stuff. We have CPI on Friday. Oh, he means CPI Canadian. So there is a little bit of impact, but not too serious. Like you might see some shows only USD CAD. Usually it'll only affect Canadian pairs or Canadian markets. Sometimes you'll see like a little like I wonder. I already closed my charts. I wonder if you could see a potential. Maybe you'll see something at 8:30 here. No, they didn't really do anything. Yeah, sometimes like I've seen it. I've seen it once or twice. but like I said, nothing too. Not necessarily. For me, my CPI protocol is it's actually pretty nice. I actually like my CPI. Yo, before I let me just want to show proof that I did not take a trade. For some reason, I'm skeptical. I feel like there's a limit. No limit order. I'm showing proof. No limit order. No limit order. No limit order. We're closing the chart. I'm not gonna open that again. Um, my CPI protocol is if I'm bullish and we create a bullish fair value gap, I'll look for 50% of that fair value gap on the 50-minute time frame and I'll look for longs. That's one. If I'm another thing is if there's a low put in, I'll look for a internal soup inside the fair value gap if I'm bullish. Same thing for bearish. Usually that's what I'll do. That's option one. Option two is if I'm bullish, I'll look for CPI low to get taken and then long from there. So I'm looking at 50% of the CPI range and I'm looking at CPI high and low as potential entry places for my bias. Sometimes it's seek and destroy. Usually it'll take both sides, but like not always. I've actually gotten really good entries using that model for CPI. So I'm very happy with it. I'm gonna stick with it. Wait, the CPI was higher than me last time. I was gonna cost 40. No, not the shawarma, bro. So sad. You shooting on PM? No, not today at least. Sometimes I will. Maybe in the Discord sometimes, but not today. I don't wanna I'm trying to reserve some mental capacity here. Today was today was just weird. It was weird. I got stopped by like 2 pips on this trade. This was my stop loss, literally. Like it was this candle low, body low. But like literally came back to the open, stopped me, which is annoying. Um, I think tomorrow will be a lot better. I'm also just not that clear. If I was gonna trade PM, I would probably just look for like a 15-minute move using 1 minute confirmation. Like no bias. Because the trade I wanted happened today. I don't like to take trades. I noticed a lot of my losses is when I had an idea and the idea played out and I didn't get the trade and I looked for another trade. This was my trade right here. I wanted this. I missed it. It happens. Um, this is what I wanted. I wanted this. It TP'd. Oh, sorry, it was. What was? Oh, I'm on the 15-minute time frame. What am I doing? I was like, why is my RR so bad? Um, what are we talking about? Why I'm not gonna trade PM. I don't like trading PM after I missed my move. This is what I wanted today. And it played out. I didn't get the fill. So looking for trades after is for me, I don't like that. I lose a lot. I feel like I might be slightly clouded by the fact I lost this. Maybe I'll like try and force something. I think it's best for me just to stay away and try again tomorrow. So far, we've been reading AM price action, bro. Really good, like really good. Um, so I think we should just continue rocking it up in the AM. Let's just prepare my charts for what the fuck is that? Um, we should just continue. We're doing good. Keep the daily chart open here in case I wanna scan for stuff. Here we'll keep the 4 hour. Um, wait, no, my entry. I've been with the past 8 minutes. I don't know what's been going on. No, you good. Oh, you wasn't here. You didn't really miss much. We're just talking about like why I was bullish, why I'm not gonna be trading. That's the drawn liquidity there. My drawn liquidity here. Oh yeah, I saw that. I saw the fair value gap just before I switched charts. 1048. This fair value gap. Broke structure. Could see a run lower. We're pretty far in a premium. There might be SMT there. But I think that's it for me today. Because like I said, one, we're in 50% of the weekly range. That's one. Two, I don't know what's gonna happen with this fair value gap here. It kind of for me dictates quite a bit. Could short it, could long it. To me, it looks like it's gonna inverse and start running towards these highs after sweeping this low in SMT in the daily fair value gap. If we were to go lower, I'd expect this low to get taken, but to me, I think we're coming up here. I think we're coming up to these black lines that I marked out. Maybe not today, maybe not this session, but that's my drawn liquidity. The Discord's popping though. Let's see what people are saying in the Discord here because I'm gonna explain my mistake. Oh, cause spread was like a one tick type of thing. I think that's it. I don't know if anyone has any questions. But I think that's it for me today. It's a good stream. We read price. We've been on it. Well, if I could just get paid out for reading price, that would be great. Well, we got the silver bullet. 10 a.m. silver bullet. Look at that wick forming. What I have two things on euro. Swept. This low looks clean. That to me, I don't think that really looks too clean. For a scalp, maybe 5 minute, 1 minute, or like 15 minute, 1 minute. But I think that's it for me today. So 1 minute market structure SIF is gold ready to buy. Huh? I don't even see a market structure shift. Yeah, that's tough. I don't know. We swept lows. Appreciate you, bro. Yep, I go live every day. Hopefully tomorrow's better. The win streak continues, eh? The win streak continues so far. We're on a little bit of a win streak. And by a little bit, I mean like we're 2 wins, 2 break-evens. Haven't taken a L. I was on a big lot. Bro, May, I was on a big loss streak. May destroyed me. Someone took shorts on YM. This guy's killing YM. Anyways, I'm gonna see you tomorrow, G Trades. Maybe I'll call you on Discord. Like later at night. I got some things I need to do. But potentially. See ya, brother. See ya. See ya, G. See ya, Elevs. Thank you everyone for coming. Peace, 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 peace. Hey, we had 100 views. That's sick. That's lit. I'm gonna take a picture of this. Hold on. That's lit. Not like live views, but anyway. Peace, peace, peace.